Hello, I am Dr. Kimberly Leupold with Holistic Healthcare Centers, and today I'm going to talk about de-stressing during the holidays. This time of year, I talked a little bit about how our energy can get zapped. Well, this one's going to be how we can bust out that stress. So here are some stress busters. One is going to be to use kidney 1, that's on the bottom of your foot. So kidney 1, and then kind of just holding the top of your foot. It's a combination of acupuncture methods along with energy therapy. And you hold this placement, top of your foot, bottom of your foot, and you breathe in with your eyes closed, and you imagine grounding into the earth like a tree. So kind of as you're holding this, you're imagining your feet just going straight deep into the earth, into the center of the earth, just imagining that cooling, that calming, that relaxing energy. So you can hold it, you can do this anywhere. You can do this on a break at work, you can do this in your house if you need just a quick moment to step away. So you just take those deep breaths. The next is going to be using your abdomen. This is called Twina, and what we're gonna do is called Mofa. Mofa is circular, clockwise circles on your abdomen, so just like this. And what you're doing is you are connecting the spleen stomach channel. There's many meridians here. The kidney meridian, that when you do this in the clockwise motion, you're energizing, but you're in a calming manner. You're helping improve your digestion from a TCM standpoint. And you're connecting the second and the third chakra, which is about kind of anxiety, decreasing anxiety, relationships, sense of belonging, finances, and many people feel an impact on all of those areas in the holiday season. So by doing those clockwise motions, that clockwise motion right there, you're actually helping to kind of soothe all of that, calm all of that. The next part we're going to do is gallbladder 21. Now don't do this if you're pregnant or think you might be pregnant. It's contraindicated. But as long as you're not pregnant, it's kind of right halfway between. You're going to find that high point right before it starts to fall down off on your traps right there, and you're just going to push into it. This is to help decrease what we call liver qi stagnation. Liver qi stagnation, we've talked about it in other videos. It's kind of like that being stuck in busy traffic, or those long lines when you're trying to check out at the store, or just kind of that all over frustration, even possibly some depression. So by pushing on gallbladder 21, I'm going to give you a pattern here. Gallbladder 21, you can do it for up to a minute or even longer, but it's usually a little tender. The more stressed you are, the more tender it's going to be. And then you're going to want to push on Li4. Again, this one's contraindicated for pregnancy. But you're going to push right on in there. It's kind of the most fatty part of your hand right there. You're going to there. Then we're going to go to liver 3. So liver 3 is basically right in the soft tissue of your foot. I'm not going to take my shoe off right now. It's been a very long work day. But you push right into liver 3. We'll also put a picture of liver 3 up for you. And then lastly, at our previous video, I showed you PC6, pericardium 6. Now I'm going to show you right about heart 7. But doing this combination, you can do it in about 5 minutes, and it can recenter you. And while you're doing it, we want to work on those belly breaths. I've talked about belly breaths in previous videos, where we're really getting our breath from our lower abdomen, not our chest. So that deep breath pulling in, our stomach goes out, and exhale, our stomach goes in. So it's not the chest going in and out, it's the abdomen going in and out. Quick recap. Holding the foot, kidney 1 and the top of your foot really rooting into the earth. Clockwise circles on your abdomen. Calming, relaxing, helping to aid in the improvement of digestion. Pushing on gallbladder 21 as long as you're not pregnant or think you might be pregnant. pushing on large intestine 4. Again, only if you're not pregnant, or you might, as long as you don't think you're pregnant too. All right, so contraindicated in pregnancy. And then liver 3, of which, put it up there, liver 3, of which I can also show a picture in here. If you have any questions or any ideas of other videos you'd like us to make, please leave a comment and let us know.